Hey there, guys. Chet here. Today, we are going to compare Shopify and WooCommerce. Both help you sell products online, but they work in very different ways. So, by the end of this video, you will clearly know which one is the better choice for your business. But before we start, let me give you a special offer. If you want to build your Shopify store the right way, check the link below for the 3-day Shopify free trial plus the $1 per month offer. You'll also get my complete Shopify course so that you can set everything up with confidence. So, let's get started. First off, let me give you a quick overview of both platforms. Shopify is a full online store builder. You sign up, choose a theme, add products, connect payments, and your store is ready to go. Everything is already included, so you don't have to worry about hosting or security. It's designed to be simple even for beginners. Now, on the other hand, WooCommerce is a plugin for WordPress. It turns a WordPress website into a store. This means that you have more control and more customization, but you also have more things to manage yourself. So let's compare features. Shopify gives you built-in tools for inventory, payments, shipping, marketing, analytics, and more. It's made to handle everything in one place so that you run your store and running it stays easy. There's also an app store with thousands of apps if you want extra tools like reviews, upsells, or drop shipping. WooCommerce also has very many features, but you need to install plugins for most of them. You can customize anything you want because it's open source, but sometimes you need a little technical knowledge or help from a developer. Next up, let's discuss ease of use. Shopify is beginner friendly. You set it up once and everything works smoothly. You don't need to worry about website hosting or updates because Shopify takes care of all of that. WooCommerce gives freedom but requires more effort. You need to install WordPress, choose a hosting company, set up security, and handle updates. If something breaks, you are the one who needs to fix it. So, Shopify is easier. WooCommerce gives you a little more control. Let's look at design. Shopify has many beautiful themes that you can customize with simple drag and drop tools. Even if you are not a designer, your store can look professional. WooCommerce also has many themes, but customizing them can be a little harder if you don't know how to do, the art of web design. You might need a developer to get the look you want. When it comes to payments, Shopify supports many payment methods, including Shopify Payments, PayPal, and more. The only thing that to note is that Shopify charges extra fees if you do not use Shopify Payments. WooCommerce also supports many payment gateways, and there are usually no extra fees from WooCommerce itself, but fees may come from your hosting or payment provider. When it comes to marketing tools, Shopify has built-in features for discount codes, email marketing, social selling, and SEO. WooCommerce also has marketing tools, but most of them, as you can imagine, require plugins. Both platforms can grow your business, but Shopify makes it simpler and easier. WooCommerce gives more options if you love customizing every small detail. So which platform do you choose? If you want a store that is quick to launch, easy to manage, and designed for business growth, Shopify is the best choice. It is stress-free and a great option if you are new to selling online. But if you want full control over your site, you like WordPress, or maybe you want to customize everything your own way, then WooCommerce is a strong match. All right, that's it for this video. If you want to start your Shopify store today, check the link below. You unlock the 3-day Shopify free trial, the $1 per month offer, and my full Shopify course that takes you from setup to launch. If this comparison helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching. And as always, we'll see you in the next video.